Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Murder Mystery, and oh my gosh, Roblox made a new sound, and it's so good. So we're gonna be trying this thing, and yeah, sorry, I haven't been posting in a while. I've been, I lost, all my friends, so yeah, but I got them back because I bribed them with money. I mean, no, because I'm nice, so, yeah, my birthday was, I'm 10 years old now, and, okay, and, school just started, so yeah, oh no, so let's play some Roblox. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Bro, this game is so easy. Bro, what the? Bro. Oh, wait till the thing goes. No, bro. Broski, this game is so lame and not dope. Oh my god, guys, this game sucks. I mean, it's because, I keep on, lagging, and it makes me, fall, and, that's how I keep on falling, because there's, a glitch, and I'm getting so distracted on the new thing, so, anyways, bye guys.